So guys, a quick analysis on our Apple stocks. So make sure you subscribe. If you know you've not subscribed, make sure you like and make sure you comment. I would love to watch out for you. So when you take a look at this Apple stock, right, you take a look at this movement, clearly you can understand this is a bearish move on Apple stock. Let's add our moving average to be able to guide us, right? We would want to use 10 period moving average. It will be able to guide us if it is above it or if it is below. Now we all know the rules of trading this moving average is that once our price is below our moving average, clearly we all know that it is a sell, we have to short, right? But once it is above it, we all know that we have to buy. But clearly, what can you see here, right? On this daily time frame, this price is below our moving average. So this is an indication that we are to sell or short this Apple stock, right? So we would want to short it to the next level. Which level do we see on this Apple stock? The level price has reacted to previously multiple times. That is the level we want to watch out for. So this is the level where price has reacted to multiple times. So here you see its price came to the same level, right? The price went up, price dropped again, came to the same level. We saw this rejection by giving us a candlestick wick, price went up. Then we saw price came to the same level again. We saw price went up, right? Now price is dropping and we'll be watching out for this level. I think we should be watching out for a level of 135. Let's just call it a 135. So currently price is trading at 143 on Apple, right? Apple stocks. We'd want to see it drop to a level of 136 until we achieve we want to see drop to a level of 135 until we achieve the level of 135. Then we can now start to possibly go bullish or continue to break below. But as time goes on, I'll give you an update and I'll tell you what to take, when to take this trade. I'll just give you an update though. So make sure you click on the subscribe button. First of all, these Apple stocks would still want to see it go bearish, right? To be able to take out a level of 135 or 134, right? So when you take a look at these Apple stocks, right, you will know that this is a bearish move, coupled with the fact that this price is below our 10 period moving average. So it is still clear that we want to still go bearish. And once price can break this lows, which is 135, right, then we want to see it move to the next level of 13 or 130. So once Apple can break a level of 135, right, we want to see it jump to a level of 130. But first of all, we need to hit a level of 135 before we even break below it, right? So Apple stocks short to 135. So that should now take us to the 4 hour time frame. So what does the 4 hour time frame say? So we are seeing a drop on this our 4 hour time frame. So this level has been broken, right? Assuming price has come to this level, we should have gotten a bullish move. So to be able to confirm that price is ranging within this level, right? But guess what? Price broke below it. So now that price has broken below it, so a confirmation that this price as at now is not needed. So we want to drop further down to a level of 135 on the 4 hour time frame. But before you consider to enter this trade, I think a pullback should be made. Maybe once a pullback has been made, then you can short it, right? It will make sense for a pullback to occur or happen before we actually sell this Apple stocks, right? Before we actually short this Apple stock. So possibly a pullback should be made before we continue our bearish move on Apple stocks, right? And this is the level, we've broken this level, right? See it trading at a level of 143. Let's see it's this level, possibly a level of 141 before we have a pullback, because I'm seeing a price should react at this level of 141. If price can react get to a level of 141, I think a pullback should occur at that level because price has reacted to that level previously. I do see it. If price has reacted to a level previously, especially multiple times, there's every possibility or probability that price will react to that same level again. So let's see it drop to a level of 141. Then maybe we can now expect a pullback. After the pullback, then we will continue our bearish move downward to a level of 135. So above all, our Apple stocks will be going bearish. We should be able to see that bearish move, till Thursday or Friday. This week, though, we should be expecting a bearish move on Apple.